Hey guys, so I wanted to share my regimen for my teeth because while I'm traveling, so many people have been commenting on how white my teeth are. I don't know if it's my tan because like my tan has gotten really nice from Costa Rica and being on the beach. But so I believe, that's what I think it is, that that's what makes my teeth look whiter, but so many people have been commenting. So I use several products because your body gets used to a product within 30 days. And I like to change it up. Even with my deodorant, like I make my own deodorant sometimes, or I'll buy a different brand or a different scent. So you always got to change it up. Typically what I use is just Arm & Hammer peroxide and baking soda, or I'll make that kind of concoction on my own. So I'll use that in addition to this newer product I just started recently using. It's called Magic Mud Activated Charcoal Toothpaste, and I love it. It looks funky when you brush your teeth because your teeth are all of a sudden black, but I think that has really helped enhance the whiteness of my teeth. When I'm home and I'm not traveling, I use bentonite clay. The clay is you brush your teeth with it, but the only thing is instead of spitting it out and putting it down the drain, you swallow the clay, so it actually helps with your detox as well. Some people tend to notice that there's like a metal smell in their stool, which is just normal, but the thing is sticking any metals, any toxins, anything that is in your body that should not be there, it'll help clean it out because it absorbs the toxins in your body. There's a lot of studies online that say it's bad to use this clay, but Native Americans used to use it and it is quite natural. So I'll go ahead and I'll use activated charcoal, and this is just a 360 toothbrush. My charcoal. You can see his black teeth, very weird. And really quick, I have my molars still in. So what I do, and this is a tip from my dentist, so when I'm brushing my teeth, to close my mouth because it creates this space between my molars and my gums. Because you know, if you brush your teeth with your mouth open, you're stretching those muscles, covering your molars. So that's why I close my mouth. And another thing, perfect posture when brushing your teeth, you want to have your arm up at a 90-degree angle, creating good posture so you're not down, crunching down. So open chest, nice and wide. And I like the activated charcoal because my mouth does feel super clean, my tongue included, and I have a piercing underneath. And that feels super clean. Like, I really enjoy the activated charcoal. But for me, like I said, I use an array of different products. Whether it's sometimes I'll make my own products, baking soda, a little bit of peppermint oil or coconut oil, do oil pulling as well. So there's so many products out there, but you have to find out what works for you. And using Arm & Hammer peroxide toothpaste, the charcoal, and the bentonite clay really works for me. And that's how my teeth are so white, or you guys think they're whiter than normal. So yeah. And one more thing, so what I also do in between, like say if I'm like home and I want to just get a nice whitening in while I'm home, I'll just rinse my mouth with peroxide. So you know, like when you get a cut or when you put peroxide on and it burns a little bit, I'll put a little bit of peroxide on my mouth, swish around for about 30 seconds to a minute. It helps to whiten your teeth. It's actually the main product found in whitening strips, whitening products that are on the market, but it costs like 88 cents from Target, and they have a lot more for the product. You can dilute it with water, but I don't. It can be a bit much, but yeah, so if you want even whiter teeth, you can go ahead and try that as well. Till next time, guys.